Then finally, on a lighter note, there is something else that binds our countries, and that is football. Yesterday, Indonesia played an important match with none other than Patrick Kluivert as your national coach. As a Dutchman, of course, I take special pride in seeing such a football legend contribute to Indonesia's sporting success. And even if the result of yesterday's match was slightly disappointing, and my apologies for the Dutch part in that, there's still a chance for Indonesia to qualify for the World Cup, and I wish the team best of luck. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world facing serious challenges, we need strong partnerships, grounded in trust, shared values, and common goals. In Indonesia, the Netherlands sees not only a trusted friend, but a strategic partner, and let us continue to build on a greener, safer, and more inclusive world together. Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency. Thank you very much.
I won't take responsible for that.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.